In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit team variable in Grafana. We'll walk through how to locate your dashboard, open its settings, and safely edit the team variable so it filters panels the way you need. This is especially helpful when your dashboard slices data by team and you want to refine how those choices appear to viewers. Start by opening your Grafana instance. On the left-hand side, look for the main navigation and head into Dashboards. From there, open the dashboard called Alert Groups Insights. If the dashboard is locked for editing, switch it to edit mode by choosing Make Editable. You'll need edit permissions to proceed, so if you don't see that option, check with your admin. Once you're in edit mode, open the dashboard settings. In the settings sidebar, go to Variables. This section controls the dropdowns at the top of the dashboard, including the one for team. Find the variable named team and select it to open its configuration. You're now ready to adjust the variable. Start by reviewing the variable type. Common choices are query, custom, and constant. Query pulls values from your data source dynamically, which is ideal when teams come from your metrics or logs. Custom is a manual list best for a small, static set. Choose the type that matches how you want the values to be sourced and maintained. Next, check the variable's name and label. The name is what panels reference in queries, often as team or /team /. Changing the name can break panels that depend on it, so be cautious. If you only want to change how it appears to users, update the label instead and keep the name the same. Review the display options. Decide whether to allow multiple selections, whether to include an all option, and how the values should be sorted. Multi-select is useful if viewers need to combine multiple teams in a single view. Including an all option makes it easy to show everything at once. Keep the UX simple and predictable. If the variable is a query type, verify the data source and the query itself. Make sure you're pointing to the correct data source for this dashboard and that the query returns the list of team values you expect. If your source changes between environments, align it here so the variable populates correctly. When you're satisfied, save your changes. Save the dashboard to ensure your variable edits are preserved. After saving, return to the dashboard view and confirm the team dropdown behaves as intended. That's it. Your team variable is now updated and ready to use.